are present over here. Please stand and give a great round of applause for them. I would like to ask you to stand for them. By offering flower and Saraswati Pujan, I would like to invite Principal Ma'am, Parakhat Sir, Gupta Sir, Gopal Sir, Ravindra Sir, Sijule Sir, and Anjali Ma'am, to all of them to inaugurate the Saraswati Pujan first. Saraswati Vandana. Ya ignorance and bring light of knowledge and wisdom in our life. So any auspicious moment can't be started without worshipping her. So in any kind of educational institution, the Ma Saraswati is worshipped for knowledge and wisdom. By this, we would like to commence this event ahead. I would like to welcome Mr. Ravindra Sir. And before starting this program, I would like to introduce him among each one of you, and he sets a high level of inspiration among all of us, among every citizen, individual students, whoever are present over here. So I'm going to introduce a very great personality among you. His name is Ravindra Jadhav Sir, who is known and well idealized teacher and given so many awards he is awarded by. I'm going to tell you one by one, and while writing about him, I really felt a level of admiration to do something in our life that adds remark to our living before we die. He is honored by Indian government. He is honored by Maharashtra government as an ideal teacher. He has worked in the tribal areas to develop education in the kids. You may call it was the rural area where he brought that level of development over that place where education was not prioritized. He has brought changes in many of the students' life by educating to them from his best side. Almost around 1500 science students are educated by him only. The person and personality I am talking about. He has worked in the human resource development too, and 1500 science teachers are trained by him only. 1500 is not the small number that we are talking. 1500 teachers. Basically, he changed their way of teaching or something, trained by him only. He is working at the high level of education institution. That needs your great round of applause for that. He has received awards for MPCIL Best Teacher Award 2018, Civil honored by Palghar, Human Resource Development, Global Banjara Existence Foundation, Election State Level Ideal Teacher for 2022, National Innovative Teacher Award for Sir Foundation, National Innovative Award 2021, 1.5 lakh crore building rural areas he developed, school converted in ICO school. Basically, please give him a round of applause for that. हम बात करते हैं शिक्षा की, हम बात करते हैं एजुकेशन की. अगर आप ऐसी जगह पे एजुकेशन को ला रहे हैं जो ऑलरेडी डेवलप्ड है, so I think that is also appreciated. But the thing which he has done from tribal area to converting into something that is well known as of today's time, training 1500 science teacher isn't a small task. Isn't a small task also, and he deserves appreciation from all of us. That's the only reason he is an ideal teacher for each one of us. He is given so many awards. Yes, I am talking about Ravindra Sir, who is present among us. Please give him a great big round of applause. I would request Parakhat Sir to honor him with a flower. Ravindra Sir. One of you can come out of the stool. Thank you. Energy नहीं लग रही है. Please show some excitement. अच्छा, ऐसे पर्सनालिटी से हमें रियल लाइफ में वाकई काफ़ी कुछ सीखने को मिलता है कि हम किसी भी लेवल पे रह के देश में, अपनी कंट्री में डेवलपमेंट्स ला सकते, चेंजेस ला सकते, हमें एक टीचर अध्यापक होते हैं इसीलिए to bring the changes among every individual they deal with. Here I am going to talk about next personality. His name is Sushil Sejule sir, founder chairman of We Teacher for Election Literacy and many more awareness pursuing. He is currently pursuing PhD too. He is very well educated man. We are going to talk about right now. And when it comes to election literacy, we need to understand importance of it. He actually make aware to the people about having election literacy to decide to whom you are voting and all. So I would like to ask Upendra sir to welcome and honor Sushil Sejule sir with a flower. Santosh sir, I would request to Gopal sir to honor Santosh sir as chief guest of today's event. Gopal sir. I'm introducing to you our school principal, college principal, Mrs. Beena ma'am. Please clap for her. I would request Paratkar sir to honor Beena ma'am with a flower, with a lovely flower. Audience, please show some energy to clap. Vora madam, I saw just now to her and I don't know her priorly, but when I met her,
I introduce her in single word. She is our live encyclopedia.
Live encyclopedia. It means she is full of knowledge. I saw her and when I saw she was giving some positive energy and vibes. I was interested to know about her more as I had to anchor this show, so I couldn't query more. But yeah, please give honor her. I would ask to.
One is not added, na? Later on.
I would ask Anjali Miss to welcome Moha ma'am. Anjali ma'am. Next, I would give myself an opportunity to welcome and honor Paratkar sir with a lovely flower. Thank you.
First our case, no? 3 kids are
Oh, I should.
later on.
Oh. Out of all of you, is there anyone who is interested to have an opportunity to honor our chief guest? Raise your hands up, please. You should. Yes? Pooja. So I would ask to Pooja to honor Manoj sir with a flower, lovely flower. Please give a massive round of applause. I feel lack of energy. Next, I would ask Upendra sir to honor Santosh sir with a flower and award. There is one more with Santosh. Ankit Patil sir. Now, we would like to welcome and honor Upendra sir I would ask Anjali Miss to honor him with an award and lovely flower. Anjali ma'am. Okay, with a lovely flower. Now Mahavir sir by Gopal sir. I would request Gopal sir. I would ask Gopal sir to honor Mahavir sir by a lovely flower. Next, I would ask Upendra sir to honor Gopal sir with a lovely flower. Upendra sir to honor Gopal sir with a lovely flower. Sejal, come on. What's the name? Now, and I would ask Sejal, our first year student, to honor Anjali Miss with a lovely flower. Anjali Miss. Next, I would ask Priya to honor our Bhavna ma'am with a lovely flower. Now, at the last, I would like to give myself an opportunity to honor one and only my personal favorite person who has given me an opportunity to stand out confident. Actually, before this, I have never anchored any show and not any event too. I have been a very good, I can say, quite good speech delivery I have done, but the confidence I have gained today, I am not much confident to be frank. But still, whatever I am able to speak and stand over here, all credit goes to Paradkar sir. It is an honor for me to literally honor him with a lovely flower. Thank you.
Thank you.
What's the name, sir? Bhushan. Okay. I would ask Deepika Miss to Bhushan sir to honor Deepika Miss. I would ask Bhushan sir to honor Deepali Miss with a lovely flower.
And Nikhil sir also.
Pamita madam. Nikhil and Pamita miss. दोनों दो remaining. Nikhil sir and Pamita. Till the time we will take conclusion.
I would call Nikhil sir and I would request to Neha to honor Nikhil sir with a lovely flower. Nikhil sir.
Pamita.
Okay, I would give you an opportunity to honor Pamita Miss. She is not there, sir.
Okay.
Okay, it was very good and great to start with that and to be introduced by each one of our present over here and some of the great personalities we discussed. Now we would be having an introductory speech by Paradkar sir. He will guide and illuminate to us towards today's inspection which is conducted among all of you to know actual reason of it. So I would ask Paradkar sir to give an introductory speech regards to this event which we have conducted today. So लोग जो है वो प्रोबेबली बिना बुलाए यमराज इंद्र के पास चले जाएंगे अगर एक डॉक्टर बेईमान निकल जाए. बट आपने कभी सोचा अगर एक टीचर कामचोर हो जाए, अगर एक टीचर बेईमान निकल जाए, अगर एक टीचर अपनी काम को ईमानदारी के साथ ना करे तो पूरा समाज खराब होता है. वो देश जो आगे जा सकता है वो पीछे चला जाता है. टीचर्स के ऊपर अदर प्रोफेशन के कंपैरिजन में लिटरली बहुत ज़्यादा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है. जब सर बात कर रहे थे रविंद्र सर के बारे में कि उन्होंने एक ट्राइबल एरिया को कैसे कन्वर्ट किया, एक ऐसे स्कूल में एक मान्यता प्राप्त करना उन बच्चों के लिए जो बच्चे शायद प्रोबेबली उन्होंने इसके अलावा भी बहुत सारे ऐसे काम किए होंगे जो निखर के बाहर ना आया हो, चाहे वो सोशल वर्क हो, चाहे वो बच्चों के लिए काम हो. एक ऐसे व्यक्ति हमारे बीच मौजूद है जिनको इतने सारे अवार्ड्स मिले हैं. और यहाँ पे हमें ये समझ में आता है टीचर बनना एक सच में बहुत जिम्मेदारी का काम है. आपके हाथ में देश का भविष्य होता है. एक अच्छा टीचर वो होता है जो बच्चों को जिंदगी सिखाता है. बच्चों को सर ने कहा ना एजुकेशन इज सीन इन आवर बिहेवियर. अब आप अगर बच्चों को कैटल एकेडमी में सिखा रहे, कोई सक्सेस दिला रहे, ये आपकी जिम्मेदारी है. जितने बच्चे आपके यहाँ पढ़े हैं वो भारत के प्रति उत्तरदायित्व हो, वो एक अच्छे सिटीजन बने, वो एक अच्छे इंसान बने, उनको आप जिंदगी से भरपूर करें. अगर आप हमारे आसपास के क्राइम्स को देखेंगे आपको लगता है कि उनके अंदर एजुकेशन है. डिग्री लेना एजुकेशन नहीं है. सर ने खुद ही कहा एजुकेशन इज सीन इन आवर बिहेवियर. ये आने वाले 2 years में द थिंग्स विच यू आर गोइंग टू लर्न फ्रॉम दिस कॉलेज, आई अश्योर यू, you are gonna be so disciplined. Many of the students are a little problematic with strictness, but I believe Paradkar sir has trained us too well. He teaches us discipline and he is completely justified with being strict with his profession. Strict in the sense he is not gonna beat you, but he wants his work to be done on time. So you need to be careful for that. If he gives you any due date, that due date means that is only due date. You can't be delay for that. And that are the learnings which you're going to learn throughout this year. And when I joined this college, I came to know my school principal has done B.Ed for me. My school trustee has done B.Ed for me. My school teachers who have taught me, they have done B.Ed for me. So you may understand what a great college you have chosen for yourself. It's comfortable to negotiate with the management, to talk about the problems you face and the things which you learn over here. It's really appreciated and you won't face any kind of issues regards anything, regards your studies. You will be helped out. All we need your presence to come here. As most of the students are doing private college, they would not be coming regularly. Now I would request Ms. Veena ma'am to deliver a speech among us, and I assure you every time whatever she speaks, it will remain in your mind for as long as you're studying. For lifetime I would recommend to you. And when I'm excited to listen her today, hear her out, whatever she is going to speak among us, I would request all of you to give a huge round of applause for that.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. I'm so honored actually, so much big dignitaries are here and you made me like such a big responsibility. They are all excited to hear. Paradkar sir, how much time?
Has their own qualities and disabilities. Like today, when I never thought that I can be nervous about anything because I am a very confident person in everything. I don't know how come it happened when I started the anchoring. I was quite nervous. But after this, listening all of them, hearing them, I came to know that there is no need to be nervous. And we all have some qualities and disabilities. Like ma'am, she said that I'm still learning. Yes, I am also still learning. This is my first anchoring. Next time I'll do more better than this. I came to know what are the mistakes done by me. Same goes for the child also. We can't judge. Nowadays parents are very stubborn and adamant towards the child improvement and growth, that my child should score out of marks only. There are so many teachers who might be parents too. They would be also like, my child should score out of marks. No, it's not needed. Your child needs to learn to try to not give up. If he is studying and not scoring well, ask him to change the study pattern. You can't punish them or, one day I personally sat down with myself and made a way of punishing to the child according to their behavior. If according to their weakness too. अगर बच्चों को लिखने से डर लगता है तो मैं लिखने का ही काम दूंगी. बच्चों को लर्न करने में प्रॉब्लम है, मैं अपने सामने लर्न करवाऊंगी. उनकी डिसएबिलिटीज को इम्प्रूव कीजिए, डिसअप्रूव मत कीजिए कि आप ऐसे ही हो, आपको कुछ नहीं आता है. No, don't do that. It was needed to be spoken as we are packed with our schedule and we have to wind up this event as soon as possible. But I felt to illuminate and just make you aware with this because so many teachers are there. Even 2 or 3 teachers takes my word serious will be enough for me to speak about this. I want to request and ask everyone to, we don't expect, even 1 or 2 changes can be brought through me. I would be grateful about that. Thank you so much. Next, I would like to invite Mr. Abhishek from first year batch to share his thoughts about today's event or anything about teaching. Clap for him, please. We all are aware of that. But आपको अगर कहीं पे भी जाना है, मैं ये नहीं बोलूँगी, एक ही बात बोलूँगी आपसे कि छत सीढ़ी नहीं होती, लेकिन दुनिया में ऐसी कोई छत नहीं है जिस पे आप चढ़ सके बिना सीढ़ी के. तो गुरु जो है वो सीढ़ी है जिससे आप हर ऊंचाई पे पहुंचते हैं, अपने एम्बिशन को अचीव करते हैं. सो फॉर हिज इनक्रेडिबल वर्क एंड ग्रेट कंट्रीब्यूशन इन एजुकेशन, आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट टू रविंद्र सर टू इल्यूमिनेट विद द नॉलेज एंड टू guide us better in the teaching field. How can we become an incredible personality just like him? Welcome him with a great and amused round of applause.
Sorry. See that listening to a one person is equal to reading 100 of books.